Carter, what are you doing?
Okay.
What color? Let me hear you. What color is that?
Oh, I got it. What color is that?
Yeah.
Okay, what color you want to do? You want to try this one? Let's try this one.
Bang.
Honey, leave it in there for a second. Okay. Oh boy, are we done?
Are you having fun, buddy?
Honey, no. Okay, there you go. Take it out.
Are you having fun?
We got 2 more. Okay.
Got 2 more, buddy.
What color do you want? Orange. Oh, green. Okay. Honey, you can leave it in there for more than a second.
Yeah, you don't have to take it right out, buddy. What color is that?
Green.
Yeah, green.
All right, we have 1 more, honey. That's it.
Wow, you did good.
Let's go.
That's alright.
Yeah, let's put it in here. This is your last one. What color do you want?
What color you want to do? You get off the table, buddy.
Orange, purple, red. All right, get off
Say
the table.
red.
This is your last one.
Carter, say red. Yeah. Oh, watch the cup.
Is that it? All right, take it out. We're all done.
Let me see.
Good job.
Wow, look at those. Carter, can you smile?
We're all done, honey.
Look at that on smile. Hold your egg up. Smile. Good job.